During my 16-year-long corporate career, building consumer and digital businesses at companies like Meta, Procter& Gamble, and Diageo, I noticed a consumer problem that needed to be solved. In an on-demand economy and always-on hustle culture, complex tasks seem to be getting simpler, but basics of everyday life like sleep are getting more complex. While consumers are overwhelmed by multi-step wellness rituals, there is one category that they spend 6 to 8 hours every night in close contact with that remains largely undisrupted with little innovation, but holds the potential to solve this problem. And that's when Nisom was born. Nisom is developing products that work on you as you sleep, with a range of specialized sleep essentials like bed sheets, pillowcases, and eye masks that will be clinically tested to improve sleep, hair, and skin quality by over 20% in a few weeks of use. They're infused with active ingredients like neem, aloe vera, vitamin E that nourish your skin. They're equipped with the latest textile technology like graphene coating, far infrared coating, and are made most importantly with natural, organic, and sustainable fabrics like bamboo, hemp, eucalyptus, and vegan mulberry silk. These products can play a crucial role in important life stages of consumers, such as teenagers, when acne is a huge problem and the wrong pillowcase can lead to spread of acne, or perimenopause for women, when they go through hot flashes and disrupted sleep, and the right sheets and nightwear can really improve quality of life as well as skin health. I'd like to show you some of the products now and also mention that these are currently in prototype stage and are already going through clinical trials. The first product is this bedsheet. I promise you it's going to be the softest bedsheet that you have ever come in contact with. But it's not just that. It is made with eucalyptus fiber. It is infused with calming aloe vera scent, which is great for skin. But most importantly, it is far infrared technology, as I mentioned before, which locks the energy that you lose from your skin and your body as you sleep and brings it back to you so that you wake up energized with less puffy skin and more energy. We then have fabrics like vegan mulberry silk, which is what called ahimsa mulberry silk, that does not lead to the silkworms dying in the process. Hence, it's cruelty-free and is great for skin in terms of reducing pigmentation and even frizziness in your hair as you wake. We then have products like this pillow, which looks like a regular pillow. But when you look at the stuffing, it is made with buckwheat hull instead of toxic cotton stuffing, which can lead to a lot of allergies and skin irritation. In addition, we also have products like this silver-infused pillowcase. This has got real silver threads, which have strong antimicrobial properties and almost act like a self-cleaning sheet, so that you don't have to regularly wash your pillowcase and bring back some of the bacteria that your skin might be shedding as you sleep. With these range of products, we hope to make what is our company's mission come alive, which is make sleep a wellness ritual. I'd like to share a video now that brings this to life. Thank you.
You think about what to put in your body, but what about what you put your body on? Traditional sheets may be worsening your skin and sleep quality. Nisom has reinvented sleep essentials with patent-pending sheets and pillowcases with far infrared technology. Using natural bamboo, eucalyptus, and silk with microencapsulated active ingredients. Clinically proven to improve sleep quality by 20%, reduce skin pigmentation by 15%. Nisom, the missing link in your wellness ritual.